Number 16, change schools. It means to move from one school to another.
He had to change schools last fall. He had to change schools last fall. She might change schools next semester. She might change schools next semester. They changed schools when they moved. They changed schools when they moved.
Number 17, change the subject. It means to start talking about something different.
When he felt uncomfortable, he changed the subject. When he felt uncomfortable, he changed the subject. Let's change the subject. This is too serious. Let's change the subject. This is too serious. She changed the subject during dinner. She changed the subject during dinner.
Number 18, cause alarm. It means to make people worried or scared.
The loud noise caused alarm among the residents. The loud noise caused alarm among the residents. His sudden illness caused alarm in the family. His sudden illness caused alarm in the family. The smoke in the hallway caused alarm. The smoke in the hallway caused alarm.
Number 19, cause chaos. It means to create disorder and confusion.
The power outage caused chaos in the office. The power outage caused chaos in the office. Snowstorms often cause chaos on the roads. Snowstorms often cause chaos on the roads. The unexpected announcement caused chaos at the meeting. The unexpected announcement caused chaos at the meeting.
Number 20, make minor changes. It means to make small adjustments or modifications.
We need to make minor changes to the plan. We need to make minor changes to the plan. Making minor changes can improve the project. Making minor changes can improve the project. She made minor changes to her essay. She made minor changes to her essay.